Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here with another trade recap video. Ending the day up about $50 thanks to the fun warrants. That is right, I took my morning trade, used all of my buying power on the fun warrants, which I mean wasn't, I say all of my buying power. I had like enough for what I would usually take on an OTC trade. And I figured this is clearly, this and DWAC are gonna be the big, attention getters of the morning. Honestly, I'm sickened that I was buying fun, just not the warrants, just fun, the stock, yesterday at the close, and I ended up selling because it was a chase, like I mentioned in the prep video this morning. And I wish I had a cooler head. I wish I waited for a dip or whatever and swung this, because oh my goodness, pre-market trading opened up at $4.56 and hit a high of $24 before falling back down to earth. But no matter, is what it is. I got a little too caught in the sauce. I had some successful DWAC warrants trades, and I just got undisciplined. Got to work on that. It's crazy when you have the MOMO, how much it that's not real. There it is. When you have the MOMO working for you, you get so caught up in the excitement, and your hands kind of like, I mean, not literally shaking, but it's just crazy. And then this morning, I mean, you had the warrants popping off, you had fun popping off, DATs or DWAC and the DWAC warrants, and then Psalm, you had a bunch of sympathy plays running, GBHL, which I called out in chat, this up on rumors that it was connected to DWAC, and this in the first few minutes of trading spikes from dub 62 to almost 2 cents. Insane. I truly, I don't know why I didn't call or why I didn't trade this, even though I literally mentioned it in chat. I was like, nope, not gonna do it. And then by the time it started to open, and it hit a cent within like 3 minutes, and I was like, I don't know, seems a little extended, but whatever. It is what it is. I took the warrants here on this on this trend break. Got a little too, not the best entry at 1187, and ended up having to hold through this pullback, but that's fine. At the time, PHUNW was caught in a halt, and so my play was to sell at the halt open, especially since DWAC was up at 175 at this point. I figured as long as DWAC was still halted in that big range, there was opportunity for things to move higher. I don't think that's true anymore, because as we can see, they've just been absolutely decimated. I mean, halt down after halt down after halt down. Nice little bounce here if you got it, but otherwise, I think that's the end of the MOMO, at least for the time being. Sure, maybe it creeps back up towards the highs and can run again, but I mean, we're really off those highs. This is just not the ideal kind of price action you want to see for a continued move. Ended up getting my sell at 1239 way too early at the beginning of the freaking move, because this thing ended up going up to 19, which let's say 19 1187, 60% gain. Definitely left way too much money on the table, but that's fine. Happy to have my win to end the day green, nicely green. Not the most green I've ever been, but solidly green. And I will, I'll take it, I'll take it. Until next time, I think I gotta be a little bit more, I gotta keep myself together during these times of insanity and trade on a higher time frame. This having spiked the way that it was spiking, I wish I would have known to wait for this pullback, so I didn't have to sit through this drawdown to like 958, which is a really big drawdown. Now, you know, I had the head enough to see the pattern forming on the 5-minute chart and to follow my system, which is, you know, your sell should really be, or your exit signal is really as you cross underneath this HMA. But my entry was not the greatest. Definitely could have gotten closer to this HMA. Could have teased a buy order here at 970 while this was happening, just like for the lulls, and then get filled. And then even if I did sell it at 1239, it would have been a way better profit. Even if I just listened to my system, you know, and could have got myself out somewhere here in the 14s. But oh well, is what it is. Happy to be green on the day. I hope you guys took advantage. I hope if you had any big wins on PHUNW, DWAC, or DWACW, let me know in the comments. You know, I think we should celebrate our wins together. I'm pretty much out of buying power for the day. I got like $29 left that I could play with. So I'm going to close it up early. That's fine. I took my piece, and that's it. You know, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments down below what tickers you are watching. How high do you think this is going to go? Is the momentum over, or is it just beginning? Now, I'm Aubrey Trades. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.